And race on. Mr. Slim from the outside is Chichi's Eyes. Carmelo on the further outside. Moving up by Daral is Pearl of the Orient. Carmelo, Chichi's Eyes. Mr. Slim is racing in third. Pearl of the Orient. Camela Bang. Rounding the far turn, Carmelo Bahapalan, Chichi's Eyes in second. Mr. Slim racing in third, rushing up is Camela Bang. As they race the last 500, Carmelo by about 2 lengths, Chichi's Eyes in second. Mr. Slim racing on the outside is Camela Bang. But Carmelo by about 2 lengths, Chichi's Eyes down on the inside. And Mr. Slim on the further outside is Camela Bang. And still Carmelo, Chichi's Eyes, Mr. Slim is on the outside. Carmelo number 8, Mr. Slim. And finally, Carmelo, Mr. Slim, Chichi's Eyes. Number 1, Pearl of the Orient. Number 2, Camela Bang.